This is affectionately called the A13 Android 13 smartwatch with no twist your wrist. There it goes. It's sensitive with an animated watch face. Come back here. Let's give it a little bit of a touch to keep it going. Come down. You've got all kinds of different controls, Bluetooth, cellular connection. Yep, it has a SIM card slot on the side. Wi-Fi connection, full Android. You've got brightness and settings and music and flashlight and things built into this one. When you go off to the right, you'll get weather in your area. You get a breath training option. A music player is in here. You also have blood oxygen reports, heart rate measurements, and your overall step count for the day. You can also get to that by going this way. It just loops all the way around in a circle. And when you swipe up, you've got notifications sent from your phone if you have any. Tap the crown, and you are in your overall app drawer, which includes, of course, your phone information, fitness stuff with records, your biometric stuff. Camera in here? Yeah, wait till you see that. Themes and stopwatch and timers, calculators. You also have the Google Play Store with all of the Google apps available to you. Maps is already installed, an assistant. You got a file manager for moving files back and forth, and of course you can transfer all that stuff by Wi-Fi through, you name it, the Google Drive or whatever you'd like to do. Lots of different apps in here. To launch the camera, you simply pull it out like that, give it a moment, and there it is. Now, it's interesting because it's pointed forward and it's seeing the knob right there. Oh, I know, that's a shame. You can aim it down. Now, if you have it off your wrist, of course, you can see whatever's below you. And you can come up and it'll flip over automatically and you can see yourself, take a video, take a picture, whatever you'd like. Also, you see that here? That will let you switch to a camera on the back. I'll show you that when I take it off my wrist, which is pointed straight down. So there's two cameras built into this one, and this one pops in and out directly like that. So those are all of the different apps, full Android 13, lots of different watch faces. You can access them by turning the crown, and each of these have different always on display. I hadn't seen that one. I like that. Always on display faces as well, if you have that turned on, that feature turned on. It's a dual core type of a watch. You can change it from full Android to a more relaxed version to save your battery and have less capabilities. Nice rubberized band, comes with two bands actually, and fairly lightweight comparatively, 1900 milliamp hour battery on this one. And here it goes into its always on mode on that particular watch face. Again, it is affectionately called the A13. You'll see it by different names. Check our show notes for the exact links to different versions of this. And it's a full Android 13 smartwatch. It's the rage of the day for Android watches. We'll see you again soon.